Greetings and welcome to Careful Conversations. My name is Jane Barton. I serve as the Caregiving Ambassador for AARP, the sponsor of this program, and I want to thank you for stopping by today to chat about the journey of caregiving. Caregiving from the inside out. If you've been reading anything online about caregiving or aging, I'm sure you have recognized that caregiving and technology, that is a hot topic of conversation. We are interested, basically, at a high level in our country about how we can leverage technology to facilitate this journey of caregiving. Now, one of the barriers for accessing technology is really unawareness, lack of information to realize what is out there. Now, I recognized this in myself a few months ago. I attended a conference on the East Coast. There was an expert there on technology and caregiving. And I was absolutely amazed at what was out there. I talked to some other people that recognized another barrier, and that's the financial issue. Now, hopefully, when we hit a critical point, when enough people are utilizing technology, some of those costs will come down. And then the third barrier for accessing technology is sometimes fear. People don't know how to use it, maybe they don't know the training that's available. But we have to overcome our fears to learn how to leverage this vital resource to make caregiving a bit easier for all concerned. Now, in the future, I think technology will naturally flow into caregiving as the millennials and the Gen Xers become the primary caregivers because they were weaned on technology at an early age. So this is a natural application of technology. So I want to fly through some of the ways technology can actually help us as caregivers. Now, recognize in the short time we have, I cannot really expand on a lot of the applications, but if you're interested, go online and you will find a wealth of information. For example, technology helps with the management of medications. Now, this is usually a daunting task for a caregiver, particularly if the care receiver has 3 or 4 different conditions and medications for all of those. So there are some digital technologies that serve as reminders or even medication administrators. And so this helps to manage and control medications for a care receiver. We also have technologies such as smartphones with a myriad of applications that caregivers can use. Everything from monitoring our vital signs, logging on to online caregiver groups, and certainly reminders, again, for medications. We have location monitors, GPS tracking devices that have been used for years now to make sure that we are safe, that our family members know where we are. And this is particularly important in the case of dementia. Emergency response systems, the bracelets or the necklaces where we can push a button and notify someone that we're having a medical emergency. And smart homes today have all kinds of monitors that track our every move to ensure again that we are safe. And these monitors oftentimes allow us to stay in our home just a bit longer, remaining independent and in control. There's also wearable technology where we can gather our vital signs and maybe transfer that information wirelessly to our healthcare providers. And so they can monitor us in real time to make sure that we are on track, that we are improving as planned. Telehealth options afford us the opportunity to have virtual appointments with our doctors. So if it's hard for us to leave home or if the weather is bad, we can still have that appointment, we can review test results and discuss a plan of care. We can also access information about caregiving and all aspects of medical care online. There are webinars and podcasts and videos such as this one. We have online schedulers and online communication tools that help to coordinate a collaborative team of members to help in the care of an individual. We can order our groceries online and have them delivered or pick up curbside. We can schedule for transportation using our smartphone to go to and from the doctor. And we even have robots that are available with personal care. And Japan is leading the charge on this implementation and integration of technology. And finally, technology helps us to stay connected socially, to communicate with our family and friends and the greater community. So technology provides hope on the horizon. hope to alleviate some of the stress that we as caregivers sometimes feel, to keep us connected, to keep us on track, to maintain our health, and to stay in touch with our medical providers. So check into all of these available gadgets and applications and use them to the betterment of yourself and the betterment of those that you care for. So I appreciate your time today. If you have additional questions, please check out the Caregiving Resource Center offered by AARP or my website, Cardinal LLC. I certainly hope that you will swing by on another occasion to check out other videos that will cover different aspects of caregiving. Until that happens, I wish you well. I remind you to enjoy the moment and remember to take good care.